Much-awaited results of the adjourned polls in Sohiong were announced today, the 13th of May 2023. The counting of votes, which had started early in the morning, saw the United Democratic Party UDP candidate Synsharlang Lyngdoh Thabah leading in the first round, where he was able to get 3,081 votes, followed by the NPP with 2,060 votes. As counting progressed from one round to the other, the NPP candidate Samlin Malngiang trailed behind the UDP candidate, followed by Osborne Kharjana of the Indian National Congress in third position. As the final results were announced in the afternoon, Synsharlang Lyngdoh Thabah emerged victorious with a total of 16,679 votes and leading ahead of the NPP by 3,422 votes.
No, candidate, please go there. Zoom.
Declaration of results of election under Section 66 of the Representation of the People Act 1951. Election to the Legislative Assembly of Meghalaya Adjourned EC from 23 Sohiong ST Assembly Constituency in pursuance of the provisions contained in Section 66 of the Representation of the People Act 1951, read with Rule 64 of the Conduct of Election Rules 1961. I declare that Synsharlang Lyngdoh Thabah, mother of the late Sohiong, East Hassels District, Meghalaya, sponsored by United Democratic Party, has been duly elected to fill the seat of the House from the above constituency.
Everything what my uncle has done. So Jinkala starts from tomorrow. Let's see from tomorrow onwards, because I am from there. I know a lot about Sohiong constituency. This is a clear message. Do not come and buy people with money. Come with love. Sympathy vote. Kade kajingi jong pajba I mahe. Kakachaka jongi nami mangate. So pajba. Kadan sympathy vote.
While the NPP candidate from Sohiong, Samlin Malngiang, said that he had worked really hard with an intention to win the polls, yet he had to accept the victory of the UDP in the election, as it was definitely a result of the people's mandate.
Jumlah berbodor ke cekuak baik-baik ni. Jisang ye terima baik-baik yang ada di tempat sini. Ada kedek kesan ke sekolah di sini. Jumlah bentuk di kenal. Ini kalau dah jadi orang baik-baik ada dekat ni. Baik-baik sudah orang orang di pedang. Kan dia kita. Mereka jelasnya sekarang NPP kalau mereka di sini. Bagi kesan. Kebangan kesan Muhammad baik-baik ini baik-baik. Dia sudah May